Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Ducati Monster 1200R Black. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 25,509 miles and does not pass New York State inspection. To pass New York State inspection, this bike will need passenger footrests. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, rock chips on the left side of the fuel tank, and scratches on the left side cover near the rider's seat. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a Termagoni exhaust, Rizoma levers, front brake reservoir, clutch reservoir, a gold chain, Ducati tank pad, and CRG bar and mirrors. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and we also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.